How to fix WhatsApp verification code not received problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. In settings, click on the search button at the top right corner of your screen. In here, simply search Permission Manager. After that, click on Permission Manager in here. In Permission Manager, you will find this kind of screen. Click on it again. After that, in here you'll find different options. Scroll down and search for SMS and click on SMS. After that, in here, click on WhatsApp. Then make sure SMS access for this app is allowed. Then go back from here and click on Messages app. After you click on the Messages app, also make sure access is given for this app as well. After you're done, open the Messages app and check for the spam folder as well. And this is how to fix WhatsApp verification code not received problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.